Wait, did you know there's an animal that can literally breathe through its butt? This is the incredible butt-breathing turtle, also known as the Fitzroy River turtle, one of nature's weirdest survivors. Instead of coming up for air like normal turtles, it can absorb oxygen through its backside, allowing it to stay underwater for days, sometimes weeks. This strange superpower helps it escape predators and live a calm, hidden life beneath the water. Nature is full of unbelievable secrets like this. Subscribe to Wild Fact Galaxy for more mind-blowing animal facts.